Hey everyone, I'm Cherie Criswell, an independent designer for Couture. And if you're enjoying the video you're watching today, please push the like and the share button. Also, if you are on YouTube and you would like more videos like this one, then just hit the subscribe button below. I also have a website, which is couture.com/Cherie Criswell. And once you get there, you can shop or you can join and become a designer like me. Now there's two ways you can do that. You can join to become a hobbyist and enjoy the 40% discount. Now that's awesome. Or you can start your very own business for yourself. Now on the back of all our transfers, we have care instructions: peel, apply, remove, clean, dry, and store. Now I'm putting this on the banner, and if you get a chance, I did a video yesterday on unboxing my Christmas transfers, and on the back I tell a little bit more about this banner and why I love it so much. It's really cool, and you get a lot for your money. Now here I'm doing a transfer, and with ink it's a lot easier because ink takes longer to dry, so you have a lot more playing time, more than with the paste. So I'm laying the two different colors on here, and then I'm going to blend them together a little bit with a squeegee, and then I'm going to actually put the ink on my finger and with a circular motion blend it in. This way it prevents you from getting a stark line, and it's more blended. I'm actually doing this technique several times on different parts of this. Now I did take the transfer off before I was finished because I could tell it was starting to dry a little bit. So I cleaned it, and then later I come back and I get it back on there, right there, see? Now I'm doing the same technique on a flower on the top. And the flowers on here are from a transfer Mini Florals. I also use a transfer Sugar Skull, which is on the top and the bottom. Here I am blending pretty much the same technique with two greens on all the leaves. And that is also from Mini Florals. And I think that color is Storm that I put on there. You see me going back to this a lot. It's a 4-layer one. Just little dots, different colors to apply. It's kind of fun. But you do have to wait for everything to dry because it's layers, so you don't want to pull anything up or smear it. And this is permanent, so you can take an iron, cotton dry iron, with parchment paper, and you can throw it in the washing machine. When you're done, you can fold this up and store it real easy. So I have one more. There is wood on top with magnets to